I'm going to start the lecture proper now. This chapter is talking about shipping documentation, and we will cover topics in this order. We will talk a bit about international trade, and then followed by Incoterms 2011, and the difference between Incoterms and shipping terms. And the last bit is on shipping documentation. This online video will speak on these three areas, and in the following week where we will meet again on this lecture, we will discuss the case studies, and then we will answer any questions that you may have. The case studies and tutorials are found in your lecture notes. All right, so let's start. The first topic is on international trade. Now, you know the world is a very globalized one, and there are a lot of trade going on between countries. So basically, when there is international trade, we are talking about two parties. One is a seller and the other one is a buyer. And between the two, they will have a document called the sales contract. And inside the sales contract, we will have elements like what I show you on the slide now, product or even service. But in this lecture, we are concentrating more on product, which is cargo. And then delivery details is like, what Incoterms are being used or agreed. And then payment terms, how do you pay for shipment for the product. And we will have also things like documentation that will accompany the shipment. And the last bit, of course, is the insurance factor. So these are all five important elements when we talk about a sales contract. Now, in international trade, we also have issues, things like political and government policies. Some countries, they have trade barriers. They have some protectionist tariffs to protect their local market. So they will impose a duty on imported goods. Yeah. So this is one of those issues which are always happening, and that's why we have the WTO meetings where countries will have to meet and agree on certain concessions. Then we have things on currency. The world is trading in many currencies. Currently, USA dollars is the most favored currency, and the euro dollar. So it depends on where you are buying the goods from. In some countries, they have some currency restriction.